Hi, I'm Mark Robertson. Welcome to the course. I'm really glad you're here because today we're going to begin exploring one of the most misunderstood financial products out there, annuities. Just mentioning the word annuity usually gets one of two reactions. Some people think they're the greatest financial invention ever created. Others think they're something you should avoid at all costs. The truth? It's neither. Like most financial tools, annuities aren't inherently good or bad. They're simply designed to solve a particular problem. One of my goals is to help you understand financial products so you can make informed decisions, not emotional ones. I'm not here to sell you an annuity, and I'm also not here to convince you that you should never own one. I'm here to help you understand when an annuity makes sense and when it probably doesn't. By the end of this course, you'll be able to evaluate annuities with confidence and determine whether one belongs in your financial plan. Let's get started. So, what is an annuity? Let's keep this simple. An annuity is a contract between you and an insurance company. You give the insurance company money either all at once or over time, and in return they promise to provide certain benefits based on the terms of the contract. For many annuities, one of those benefits is the ability to receive income for a specific period, or even for the rest of your life. That's really the key idea. Annuities were created to help address one of retirement's biggest risks, outliving your money. Financial professionals call this longevity risk. I simply call it one of the biggest concerns of many retirees. Most annuities have two stages. The first is called the accumulation phase. That's when your money remains in the contract and may grow over time, often with tax-deferred treatment. The second is the income phase. That's when you begin receiving payments from the insurance company. Here's one point I want you to remember throughout this course. An annuity is an insurance product. It's not designed to maximize investment returns. Its purpose is to help manage certain financial risks. Now let's talk about who should probably not buy an annuity. If you're in your 20s, 30s, or even your 40s, and you're still building wealth, there are often better places to invest your money. For many people, that means contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k, IRA, Roth IRA, or HSA before considering an annuity. Likewise, if you think you'll need access to this money within the next few years for a home purchase, education, starting a business, or an emergency, an annuity may not be the right fit. So, when can an annuity make sense? Let's take a look at that. Imagine someone who is 68 years old. They're retired, they have Social Security, maybe they have a pension. What they really want is confidence that they won't run out of money before they die. In this case, an annuity might be worth considering. Here's another case. Perhaps someone is approaching retirement and loses sleep every time the stock market drops. They're not looking for maximum growth anymore. They're looking for greater certainty. The important point is this. The decision should be based on your financial plan, not on a television commercial or a sales presentation. One of the biggest lessons I've learned during more than 25 years as a certified financial planner trademark is that financial products should never be the first factor in a decision. Your financial plan is what should lead you to choose the appropriate solution. Annuities are simply tools, like a hammer, a screwdriver, or a wrench. They're incredibly useful for certain jobs and completely inappropriate for others. Over the next several lessons, I'll explain the different types of annuities, how they work, their advantages, their disadvantages, and the questions you should ask before making a decision. My goal isn't to tell you what to buy. My goal is to give you the knowledge and confidence to make the decision that's right for you. By the way, if you haven't already done so, download the workbook that goes with this course. It contains useful information and many additional resources to help you understand annuities. The workbook will reinforce what you learned from the videos. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in Lesson 2.